If you're searching for a cheaper and more entry-level option to the powerful iPad Pro 10.5, or Apple's highly regarded iPad from 2017, the iPad Air and iPad Mini 2 are excellent choices. When compared to the starting price of the newest iPad, which is $289.99, the price of one of these older versions may be as much as $100 cheaper, depending on where you buy and which model you choose. These models may be inexpensive, but they are definitely not equipped with the most cutting-edge technological features now accessible on the tablet market. However, they are sufficient for the most basic of activities, and they usually come with sufficient value-adding capabilities to justify their purchase. Below, we've summarized the features and specifications of both the iPad Air and iPad Mini 2 to help you choose which one is ideal for you. Display. The iPad Air's 9.7-inch screen has the same 4:3 ratio as the smaller iPad Mini 2's 7.9-inch screen. Before the introduction of the iPad Pro 10.5 inches and 12.9 inches, the biggest option was the Air. The iPad Air's larger screen makes it the superior choice for media consumption, such as watching movies or playing games, despite the iPad Mini 2's smaller screen having the same amount of pixels. The latter is also more convenient since the gadget weighs just 314 grams. Its larger sibling comes in at 478 grams, although both gadgets have the same 7.5mm chassis thickness. Apple's Retina display ensures that, even at a distance of several feet, the screen remains pixel-free. The pixel density of the Air's display is 224 ppi, with a resolution of 2048 by 1536.2. The iPad Mini 2's 324 ppi is achieved by using the same resolution but packing it into a smaller display. The iPad Air's below display is superior in terms of brightness and contrast ratio. The contrast ratio is 1001 and the brightness may reach 410 candelas per square meter. Cameras. The iPad Air's cameras are far superior than those of the iPad 2. The rear camera, often the tablet's better quality camera, recorded 720p video and captured still photographs at 0.7 megapixels. The resolution has been increased from 720p to 1080p for video and from 3 megapixels to 5 for stills. The iPad 2's front-facing camera captures video and still photos at a low VGA resolution of 640 by 480 pixels. Oh, how VGA seems so long ago. The iPad Air, on the other hand, improves upon the previous generation by supporting 720p HD video and 1.2 megapixel still photographs. By the way, the VGA resolution camera, found in the third-generation iPad, remained until the fourth-generation iPad was launched in February of this year, greatly improving the front camera to what it is now. Sensors. The iPad has a number of sensors built in, including an ambient light detector, a magnetometer, and an accelerometer for gauging movement in the X, Y, and Z axes. However, the acceleration sensor was supplemented with a gyroscope in all iPads following the first generation, allowing for the measurement of roll, pitch, and yaw. Despite sharing the same sensors, the iPad Air's M7 motion coprocessor offloads work from the A7 SoC so that it may focus on other tasks. The iPad's display size hasn't changed since the initial model was introduced 3 years ago. It's still 9.7 inches, diagonal. And although the iPad's screen resolution has increased since the iPad 2, the display is still LED backlit with IPS technology and coated with an oleophobic surface to prevent fingerprints. Apple gives same ratings for battery life to both tablets, internet use, video playback, or music listening for up to 10 hours on a single charge while using Wi-Fi.